O youth, the hope of my fatherland, my urgent wish, my fervent fee, is that you may with noble zeal the scarefry of liberty keep burning bright. Let the sun of reason rise upon you, and let virtue's light step your step guide. Let your heart with fervent love embrace our dear native land. O youth, awake, awake. The dawn is breaking, the light is past. Arise and let the light of freedom illuminate our native soul. To the Philippine youth is a powerful call to action, a steering message that resonates even today as I recite those lines. I was struck by an unwavering belief in the potential of the youth to shape a brighter future for the Philippines. He does not praise them, he challenges them to rise to the occasion, to embrace education, and to use their knowledge to build a nation that is strong, progressive, and prosperous. It's a call to embrace patriotism, not through build loyalty, but through active participation in the betterment of society. The poem are clearly patriotism, the importance of education, and the transformative power of the youth. Rizal emphasized that education is not just about acquiring knowledge, but about developing a strong moral compass, a sense of responsibility, and a commitment to social justice. He urged the youth to become agents of change, to fight for progress and equality, and to uphold the value of their nation. For me personally, this poem is constant source of inspiration. It reminds me that as a young person, I have a responsibility to contribute to the future of my country. It inspired me to pursue education, to engage in critical thinking, and to use my talent to make a positive impact of my community. Ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. The youth are the hope of the nation. It's a phrase that resonates deeply with Filipinos. This poem reminds us that the future of our country rests in the hand of the youth, and that is our collective responsibility to nurture their potential and guide them toward a brighter future.